And I got most of the grease out. And as you can see on the sights, it's all blacked out, which is the way they came out originally for the military, 1911. Concept of the 1911 that John Browning had that the military adapted. And on this for it to fire. This is another safety that you can also use.
Okay.
So there's two different safeties, and there's probably an internal safety too, as far as that goes. I'm gonna go for the X.
Whoa.
Okay. Not that bad.
Not
I
bad.
like that.
Isn't it nice?
I like that.
The trigger on it's really nice.
Yeah.